All right, everyone, buckle up. Today, we're diving into a sensational tale about a company called Ecwid and their controversial early adopter programs. Now, picture this. A group of enthusiastic users signed up back in 2009 for a fixed monthly fee of about $17, right? They signed on because they wanted to be part of something innovative, something that was still taking shape. Fast forward to late 2024, and bam! They wake up to find that their fee has jumped to around $30 without a whisper of an explanation. Crazy, right?
Wow. So they really just raised the fees without any warning? That sounds super shady. I mean, what did the users do? I can't imagine how they must have felt. Did they have any formal agreements or something?
Exactly. They had a tacit agreement, you know? It was based on trust. They were signing up for a promise, a commitment, if you will. By suddenly increasing the fee, it feels like a complete slap in the face to those early adopters. These users were essentially the lifeblood of the platform in its infancy. They were providing their time, feedback, and resources to help Ecwid grow. And now? It's like they've been tossed aside.
That's really interesting. It's kind of like getting into a club where everyone agrees on the membership price and then suddenly the club doubles the fee overnight. What about those people who can't afford it anymore? Did they hide the old terms or something?
You got it. That analogy works perfectly. They not only raised the prices, but also allegedly obscured the earlier terms from public view. It's as if they want to erase those original agreements, as if they never existed at all. This raises serious questions about accountability. I mean, their behavior could potentially open the floodgates for some legal action. Think class action lawsuits here.
Oh, wow. A class action lawsuit? Is that like when a whole bunch of people come together to sue a company? That sounds intense. Considering they're all feeling betrayed, I can totally see why they do that. But, how difficult is it to get one of those going?
It's definitely a process, but not impossible. You see, keeping records of those previous agreements is crucial. Affected users should really gather any relevant materials, emails, screenshots, billing statements, anything that can help substantiate their claims. It's all about proving that a promise was made, you know? And when that promise gets broken, there should be consequences.
Right. So it's like showing your concert ticket when the event organizer suddenly decides to change the venue. Or even worse, the date. I mean, can you imagine? It's totally fair to want to hold them accountable for that. But what about the implications of this on consumer trust?
Oh, you are spot on. It's a big deal. When companies break that trust, especially with those early adopter users, the original advocates, if you will, it can backfire big time. They put time and effort into the platform's development, and in return, they expect some level of loyalty. This breach could set off a chain reaction. People might not support the platform anymore, and they could even warn others against it.
Wow, that's, really eye-opening. Imagine if they all took to social media to spread the word, it could get really messy for Ecwid. So, do you think they'll, I don't know, try to fix things or just brush it under the rug?
That's the million-dollar question. Well, companies often have a choice. They can either own up to their mistakes or double down on their actions. But if they choose to ignore it, they risk damaging their reputation beyond repair. The clock is ticking on accountability, and I think that loyal customers will demand restoration of original terms. It's about integrity at its core.
You're right. It's kind of like how relationships work. Trust is everything, and once it's broken, it's all so hard to repair. I mean, I'd want to feel valued for sticking around.